Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad at math, but because they usually don't have a plan. In this video, you get a clear 90-day blueprint to reset your finances step by step. We break it into 12 weeks so you know exactly what to do and when. Week 1 is a full review of where you stand. Pull your last 3 months of statements for bank accounts, credit cards, debt payments, and any place you spent money. Categorize everything into fixed expenses like rent, utilities, car payments, subscriptions, and groceries. Discretionary expenses like eating out, traveling, shopping, and anything fun. And debt payments like student loans or credit cards. Figure out your average monthly spend in each category and compare it to your income to see your savings rate and your net profit. Week 2 is cutting the fat. Sort your expenses from largest to smallest and ask if you can reduce each category 10% to 30% over the next 90 days. If you can trim $400 a month, that is $4,800 a year that can go to investing, an emergency fund, or debt payoff. Look at easy wins like Ubers, insurance quotes, eating out, shopping, utilities, and unused subscriptions. Week 3 is automation, also known as paying yourself first. Open a high-yield savings account for short-term cash goals, with rates around 3.8% to 4% as of recording. Set automatic transfers so a preset percentage of your paycheck moves to savings and investing before you can spend it. Automating at least 10% of your take-home pay, with 5% to your high-yield savings account and 5% to an investment account, removes friction and builds momentum. Week 4 tackles high-interest consumer debt. If you carry credit card balances, use a payoff calculator and see how adding $50 to $100 per month can reduce your interest and your payoff timeline. The average credit card APR is over 21%, so paying down balances or calling your issuer to ask for a lower rate can be an instant return. Set automatic payments and make the higher payment your new normal. Week 5 is getting your emergency fund to $1,000. Crossing into 4 digits is a huge psychological win, especially since 59% of Americans cannot afford a $1,000 emergency. Sell unused items, pick up a side hustle, and redirect the savings you found in weeks 1 and 2 into your high-yield savings account. Week 6 is setting up your investments. Over the long term, stocks have delivered the highest average annual returns among major assets. A simple strategy is to invest in an S&P 500 ETF through a brokerage like Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, or N1 Finance. Rely on the market's historical average returns of 8% to 10% and stay consistent. Investing $1,000 per month for 30 years at 8% compounds to about $1.49 million. At this point, I want to hear from you. What is the one category you could realistically cut by 10% to 30% in the next 90 days? And how will you do it? Share your plan in the comments so others can learn from your approach. Week 7 is increasing your income. Ask for a raise if it has been over a year. Consider job hopping every 2 years for potential 30% to 40% salary jumps if it fits your situation. Start a side hustle like freelancing, flipping items on Facebook Marketplace, watching dogs, or DoorDash, and learn high-income skills like coding, video editing, sales, or design. Week 8 is defining a savings goal for the year and writing it down. Writing a goal, making a plan, and sharing it increases the likelihood of success by 42%. Calculate the monthly amount you need and share your goal with friends or family. Week 9 is deciding if credit cards fit your habits. If you have strong self-control, run purchases through a card and pay in full monthly to earn cash back and perks. If not, skip them or start with a low limit and test yourself for 3 to 6 months. Responsible use also builds your credit score, and payment history is 35% of that score. Week 10 is tracking your net worth by adding your assets and subtracting your liabilities. Monitor it monthly, quarterly, or twice a year to see your trajectory. Week 11 is reviewing your spending from weeks 2 to 10. Recategorize, compare, and patch any leaks you find. Week 12 is stretch goals and quarterly check-ins. Define 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year targets, like buying a home, paying off major debts, launching a business, or retiring early. Then break them into monthly steps. Schedule reviews at the end of each quarter, such as March 31st, June 30th, September 30th, and December 31st. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical guides and investing basics you can act on today. Wealth is built through consistency, discipline, and a long-term vision. 90 days from now, will you be in control of your money or still guessing where it went?